In this video, I'll show you how you can add someone to your Shopify store. The way that you can do this is you want to head over to admin.shopify.com, select the store that you want to add someone to, and then what you have to do is click on settings down here. Under settings, there will be one called users and permissions. Now keep in mind, you need to upgrade your plan before you can add someone. I'm only on the free trial, but if you head in here, scroll down, you will be able to see that there is a staff account. So you can add people to be the staff, and you can also add collaborators, which is designers, developers, and marketers. And you can also exclude and allow them to use different stuff. So you can see the Google Apps is disabled, but you can add if you want them to be able to use other stuff as well. So that is basically how it works. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.